Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I wanted to share a real brief video with you. The Mi Mix 3 just got an update and it brought the slider sounds into the settings. So right now, this option didn't exist on mine at least, but now you can set it to what you want. You can also change these sounds on here as well. Got all these different sounds. This is the default sound. That's the default sound. And you can go online and get sounds too for each one. But those are the sounds. So, oops, didn't mean to back out. So if you wanted to do a selfie, or you can have it open tools now. So if I slide this down, it has this menu right here. Now, unfortunately, in the US, a lot of these functions are not available. I.e. the payment, you can use the timer, obviously the date, the recorder, the calculator, but payments is not available. And this little chat thing is not here, but pretty much just these four right here are not available. But that's pretty cool that you can actually do it. And then you can also have it you can put it to an application. So if I slide down on it, it'll go ahead and open up the application that I want it to open. So that's pretty cool. So you can change that to any application on your phone, man. So if you do have this, you can change it to PayPal or Google Payments if that's what you're trying to do. But just want to do a quick video, and you can also set it to do nothing. So when it slides down, it just does nothing. But it's so funny, I was doing another video and I was talking about how I probably won't use the slider anymore for facial recognition because I'm so used to using the fingerprint. And then I get an update right after that showing that you can actually make all these different changes. I'm glad I'm able to change the sound because I like that. So there you have it, man. Quick video update. You can see when it does that, it opens it up. A quick video update on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. It's on a stable ROM. Xiaomi does great with their updates too, by the way. But they just added this feature to mine, and I really enjoy it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Take care.